This week almost broke my trading plan. I took a loss and missed a trade that would have saved the week, and I honestly feel devastated, but I stuck to the rule, and one perfect setup changed everything. This video documents how I went from loss on day 2 to finishing week 1 with a 4% profit locked in. It started day 1 slow, I was patient and nothing was clean, but on day 2 the action hit. The Euro USD trade we held immediately reversed and hit stop loss. That was the first financial hit of the challenge. The real mental challenge came in next. I had a high probability setup on USD JPY. The price moved to my entry on TradingView, but my broker did spread did not fill it in. It moved in my favor just without me. Seeing the perfect setup flip away just because of a few pip miss is actually very brutal. I had to let it go. Discipline was there, but the frustration was real. I entered day 3 with low morale, and we opened a trade on JPY, and it did the worst thing possible. We went back to break even after giving us around 1 to 2 weeks to reward. I now had the loss, a painful missed trade, and a break even. I felt like I was doing everything right and getting punished. I stopped trading, reset my mind, and waited patiently for the next setup. And it came on Euro USD. I executed the Euro USD trade according to my plan, and it went straight to take profit. This single win was our first realized take profit on the challenge. The relief was huge. It immediately brought the Euro USD account up 4% overall, and then came the final test, the 4 and the 5. The market was quiet. After earning the 4%, the most important thing I did was nothing. I didn't trade. Closing week 1, we had a loss, but we recovered. We are finishing 4% up on our Euro USD account, with break even across all other accounts. Week 1 is complete. We proved that systematic discipline will always beat emotional trading. I'm taking the weekend off to review the data, but the challenge resumes next week. If you want to follow the full 45-day journey, hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments what was your biggest trading lesson this week. Catch you all on this.